I've been doing the 30-day free challenges since May, and my schedule's kind of crazy at home. Whenever I get home, it's dinner, cleanup, etc., etc. So I've been trying to use my break time at work to do a lot of these challenges. I always wonder if somebody's going to walk in what they're going to say, but they think I'm crazy anyways. So today is day 9 of the arm challenge, and so I have 20 push-ups. So I'm doing it on my break. That part's done in under a minute. You can use your time wisely if you wish.